Hello, my name is Alia Lucero, and in this video, I'm going to quickly try to explain abstract and final methods and show the difference in their implementation. So I had Copilot in VS Code generate this simple code here explaining the difference between the methods. In our Java concept project, we have our abstract method here with class animal where A makes sound, and we have our final method here with class vehicle where we have the start engine and the honk. And in order to really explain these two methods, I'm going to debug the code and really show how these methods are executed and compiled. So I've set a breakpoint here at make sound, and then another breakpoint also down here at dog make sound. And then I've set a breakpoint here at the start engine, and then another one down here for vehicle start in. And for the sake of time in this video, I'm not really going to put breakpoints inside the honk or car honk. So I'm going to quickly run this code and let it compile, and we can see what is outputted. So here we have our abstract method example that was successfully compiled, where dog says wolf, make sound wolf. And then for our final method, we have engine started, final, and car makes sound, beep, beep. And now to really demonstrate the implementation of both of these methods, I'm going to debug. So we are going to start debugging here. And the execution stopped at make sound. So we stop the call site here, and I'm now going to step into this here to allow the actual runtime method to execute. And the debugger then, as we see, opened up dog makes sound down here. And here is the method body. And over here, as we see in our variables, even though the variable type is animal, when we step into the method, it takes us to dog make sound over here, which is why the debugger shows this being dog in the variables. And in the call stack, it shows that the call stack reads main, make dog sound. And this really demonstrates the dynamic dispatch and that subclass implementation runs. So now that we've explained the abstract method and how that works, we're going to continue and show the final method. So we're going to resume until our next breakpoint, which is here at the start engine. And then we're going to step into here. And the next final method, vehicle start engine, is declared final, so the subclass is not overridden and should not override it. And as we see, as we step into it, the debugger opens the vehicle start engine method body, and stepping into it lands in here. As we see, this body, the vehicle start engine, and it is showing the final method. And even if V or a car object at runtime, the final implementation is really the one that runs, and that really shows how implementation doesn't allow car to override anything, right? And the final implementation is the one that actually runs. And we can also point out here in the call stack and in this method here that it is on the main method, and the variable this is actually car. But the body executed here is vehicle and not car. And so as a quick recap, abstract and overridden methods really dispatch the subclass implementation at runtime, whereas final methods really lock that implementation to the declaring class and cannot be overridden whatsoever. And using the breakpoints and stepping into really helped us observe which method body actually is the one that executes and shows the difference between the abstract methods being compiled and the final methods being compiled. And so thank you, and that is the quick core difference between these two different methods.